Day 8. We're going to boost our mood, elevate our energy. Let's just get started. Remember what our goal is this 28 days. It's just to get started with movement. Simple movements that elevate our mood, increase our range of motion, our mobility, give us readiness for the day so we feel alive. It doesn't take a lot. We're just building the consistency and the discipline so that first thing we do, we get up, I need to move my body. And whatever that looks like for you, find movements that you enjoy. I can tell you with 100% certainty what the best exercise is. Guaranteed. It's the one that you'll do. That's it. Everybody's got their idea of what the best exercise is. The one that you're going to do if you can get out and go for a walk, that's the best. If you like to stretch like this, do what you love, get you excited, especially in the morning, just to move, to get the blood flowing. Increase the oxygen. Our chair is here if you need it. Okay, I was doing this. Yeah, nice and simple today. Just so remember what we're here for. This really is the consistency and discipline. We just keep showing up for ourselves. And what's that going to look like in a couple weeks, in a few months? Oh yeah. You got a little. This can look very different. When I first get up, this would probably look like this. I'm moving a little bit already. It's a little bit better. Back bend. I don't care how you move as long as you do. Don't do things that hurt you, of course, but find your edge. See if you can go a little bit beyond. Right, just to the side now. As low as you can go. Okay, remember this can be done in the chair, and if you just want to move to the chair, go for it. So it can be like this. We can add a bit to it if we like. Soft feet. Yeah, nice and quiet. Whatever feels right this morning. I don't want to get too far ahead of us, doing too much. Let's just get the habit. 1% better every day. Just keep showing up. It could, next couple days, each could be a challenge. Not really feeling it, I don't want to do it. But focus on the middle, like now, and you start to feel good. Or the end, where you're gonna feel great. Little. If you can kick your butt, great. See if you can extend your range of motion just a bit. Breathe, smile. We can smile doing this. Yeah, we're gonna go a long way. Super superhero posture. Just take it in. Let's twist a bit. A couple on each side. And then just go with the flow. Oh, there we go. We're just moving. Little morning movement. Shake it out. Let's get our arms going a bit. So imagine you got a skipping rope. You can jump if you like, if that works for you. All different. But just using our arms. So your leg movement can be lots of different things, whatever feels good for you. Use those arms. Pick up the pace if you want, wherever you're at this morning. Just to get the blood flowing, the good vibes rolling. Stick with me. We're going to keep it short and sweet today. Yeah. Oh, can you feel it? You can always do another workout. There's lots of these short workouts here. If you're feeling it, you want to go further, by all means. But me, it's just getting a readiness for the day. That's what I like about these. Think about it. Can I carry my groceries home? Can I walk where I need to get to? Run up some stairs without feeling exhausted. That's why we want to move our bodies. Just readiness for the day. Shake it out. Okay, last move of the day. Just whatever depth you can go. I'm not even gonna go that deep. I just like the pulse. Still. Just connect to your breath here. Let me know if you feel energized after this. Maybe a little quicker just to end it off nicely. Oh yeah, and just shake it out. That's it. Yeah. Just Tadasana, mountain pose, yoga, palms forward, wherever you like. Just connect your breath 1 moment, 1 minute, just to focus. Be here now. Somebody's disagreeable today, cut you off in traffic. Things just don't go your way, you're annoyed. Stop for a moment. Connect to one conscious breath. See what difference that makes. You go through your day. Today is my day, and I'm not going to let anyone ruin it. We aim to not let anything outside of us affect what's going on the inside. I'm in control of my happiness. My joy, my happiness, my well-being is up to me, nobody else. I can't control other people. I can only control my reaction to their action. One breath can make all the difference in the world. We respond rather than react. Simple morning movement. well done. Comment, job done. Stay accountable. Let's keep the ball rolling. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.